First, allow me to appreciate the sacrifice that you have made by breaking away from your very busy schedules and the comfort of your families to respond to my call. One man from Nigeria by the name Chinua Achebe says, "A man who calls his kinsmen to a feast does not do so to save them from starving. They all have food in their homes." When we gather together in the moonlight village ground, it is not because of the moon. Every man can see it in his own compound. We come together because it's good for kinsmen to do so. In a life full of trials, of vigilance and exertion, stresses of work that we experience here in the diaspora a lot of the time, we face harsh realities of the economy. Most of the time, most of us, we need a company of beautiful and handsome eyes, like the ones that I see in this house. For a long time, funerals have been a unifying factor in our community. I think it's because funerals humble us by reminding us of the mortality of man and the perishability of the human body. Are you surprised? All of us, one day, we will die. I did not invite you here to scare you about life and death. I thank God because He has seen it wise that we be alive and healthy on this day. He has protected us and led us safely, and that is a divine privilege and honor. I invited you here just because I missed you. Thank you again for coming. Second, in a very special way, allow my family and I to present our sincere gratitude for the support you have extended to us this far. The past 3 or so years have been very tempestuous, and they shook the family to the core. We all know the pain of death. I lost 3 people who were very close to me. My dearest son, a sister who was in the family way, and a grandmother. Then came elections during the same period in which the trust that all of you had in me kept me going. Politics is not a game of the faint-hearted, and you all know this. People can be mean, and people can decide to hate you. And they hate you so passionately, even when they have never even met you. They have never seen you. They have never even heard from you. They just hate you because somebody told you you are not a good person. Some people have met you, but they can just hate you because they don't like your physical appearance. But that is politics. Those of us who have tried their hands in politics, I see my friend Chimi is here. They can attest to that. But I want to say that your encouragement, your support, and the trust on me kept me going when all that was on my way. I had to finish the race because you in the diaspora, you elevated me. Thank you so much. I'm a very proud person today. Not because I've accomplished a lot in life. Actually, I might not have accomplished anything. But I'm very proud because when everything seemed to work against me, I had you on my side. You kept me moving. I have never forgotten. I will never forget. Thank you for that. That three. Thank you. When a parent sends a child to school, they always expect a report at the end of a certain period. And that's a fact. Or even when a husband leaves and goes hunting, at the end of the day, you expect him to come back home with something from the hunting field. So you send me, you the people, to go out for some serious task, and you'd serve a report of what I achieved. That's why I'm here today, to tell you what I achieved. Well, I can confirm that it was a good learning experience I had, and I gained a lot, despite not delivering the actual animal that you sent me. I still managed to learn a lot back at home. I stayed in Kenya long enough, even after the elections. There were a couple of obstacles here and there, which forced me, at the end of the day, to come back again to the US. And I'm here now. So, in a very special way, my dear friends, I want to confirm to you that I'm fully back in the United States with you. It will be very unfair if I finish without recognizing the efforts you guys have put in philanthropy. All of you have given back to the community in one way or the other. I started giving back to the community the moment I left to you. America. That one has not been a very easy experience. Without you, I could not have achieved it. When I came to Texas, barely 2 months old, I only knew Charles Okimwanyambuka here. And I knew on that, Fred, you guys believed in me, you supported me, I achieved taking computers to Kenya. I give credit to you. I started taking medical equipment to Kenya. People who were on the ground, Mheshimiwa Tongi is here. He came to Bomachoge. He helped me to give those medical equipment. And Mheshimiwa Tongi and your team, thank you so much. Mheshimiwa Chimionkangi from Kitutu Church South, when I was delivering the computers back at home, he came. Chimi, you came to Nyakoiba and you were dancing. Right at Nyakoiba, you were not contesting in Bomachoge, but you came there. Thank you so much, Chimi, for that. I started taking wheelchairs to Kenya. Some of you supported that initiative fully. And because of what you did, today, a disabled child at Iwencho, who had lost hope, is now full of hope, is now independent, she's able to move from point A to point B because of you. Thank you for supporting my mission.